What's up guys, Gadget Junkie here. In this video I'm featuring this STARDRONE S8 FPV sim controller they sent over to me to showcase for you guys. I'm going to bring you guys in for a close look at this controller and give you guys a quick demo. If you're ready, let's go. Alright guys, here's a look at the box that it comes in. Very nice graphics on the box there. Inside you're going to get your controller. You're going to get a full color manual that goes over how to set it up for various sims. So nice touch there. And you're also going to get a USB cable for connecting it up to your computer. So the controller itself feels a lot like the DJI RC3, which I have here. The form factor is almost identical, it's just a tad bit smaller. You've got Hall gimbals in here. It does not have a spring on the throttle, so it is in true FPV. For that, you do have spring on the yaw, you got spring on pitch and roll, and then you've also got some switches up here. So I've got one of the old FRSKY light controllers that has the switches. So if you're flying like an airplane that has various controls on it and you need switches, it does have two position switches and two 3-position switches here. Very easy to set up, guys. So I've got liftoff going on here. It's got a USB-C port on top. This does not need any batteries. It runs off the USB on your device. So I just plugged it in. It's plug and play. I didn't have to put any drivers or anything on here. I just needed to open up my sim and do the calibration, and it was ready to go. So pretty straightforward as far as, you know, the controller itself. It works like any other controller. It works just like my DJI controller here, guys. I mean, it's you know, an FPV controller. You know, the thing I like most about this here is that this here you don't have to worry about, you know, messing up your you know, your gimbals on your controller that you actually fly with. You get a very similar experience without having the risk of damaging your actual controller. So, you know, pretty simple as far as that's concerned. I don't have this sim set up as far as the rates and stuff, so I'm flying pretty crazy in here, but you know, it works really well. So if you guys are looking for a sim controller, if you don't want to spend the money for an actual drone controller, you want to get some time in on the sim, I highly recommend this StarDRC FPV controller. Hope this helps you guys.